All right, guys. Next break, we're doing box of 2016 Hit Parade Football Series 1 cards. So just like the basketball, only this you got 11 hits altogether of autos and relics, and then you've got case hits of guys like Tom Brady, Barry Sanders, I think, is in this, um, Aaron Rodgers, some huge names that are in some of these case hits. So let's see what we can do on this. I think I've got this one and then maybe one or two more boxes, and then we're done with this. So hopefully we can score one of those hits before we finish up. So here's a rundown for this break. We got Alex with the Falcons, Ravens, Panthers, and Chargers. Anthony S., you've got the Chiefs and the Seahawks. Arturo, you've got the Bears, the Packers, the Colts, and the Saints. Brian G. with the Cardinals, Bengals, Browns, and Jags. Bryce F., you've got the Giants, Eagles, Bucks, and Titans. Dale C. with the Broncos. Floyd, you've got the Cowboys, the 49ers, and the Redskins. Gerald with the Steelers. Gerard D. with the Texans. Jason G. with the Bills. John H. with the Lions and Patriots. Matthew F. with the Raiders. Scott S. Man, what's up? Been a long time. You've got the LA Rams. Stephen B. with the Dolphins and Vikings. And then William C., you've got the New York Jets. Got a fixed stack here, but no card there at the bottom. All right, let's see if we can pull something good out of here. First up, we got Marcus Lattimore. Little quad relic from National Treasures, 13 out of 99. Guys, hang tight. Computer's about to die there. All right, next up, we got Tyson Jackson, Bowman Sterling relic, going to the Chiefs. $33 out of 50. All right, then we got a Redskin here. Fabric of the Future. Is that Devin Thomas? Man, this guy sucked. Bust of all busts there. 2008 Bowman football. We had high hopes for that guy, and he was terrible. All right, this guy was not terrible. Hakeem Nicks, Sweet Swatches relic. That's going to be a New York Giant. All right, we got another Sweet Swatches here. Muhammad Massaquoi. And I think that's maybe Cleveland. Yeah, played 3 seasons with Cleveland, 1 with the Jags, 1 with the Jets. So that's going to be going to the Browns. All right, then we got Javon Walker for the Raiders game jersey. All right, and then our first auto here. SP Authentic 288 out of 999. Nice little patch there. Lawrence Maroney for the Patriots. That's an on-card auto. I think he had a couple of good seasons, or decent seasons. All right, and this is a nice one. How about a Mark Duper? Nice on-card auto for the Dolphins. Nice looking. So it looks like it's wasn't part of a collection. He signed it, and then there's the authentication there. It's a nice looking card. All right, then we got a Jarius Norwood auto for the Falcons, fresh ink. No numbering on that. All right, I think we've pulled this guy before. How about a Tommy Frazier on-card auto from Press Pass, Saturday Signatures. I'm going to have to look him up to see who he played with in the NFL. Didn't play for very long. Let's look him up. Actually didn't play at all. Played with the Montreal Alouettes. All right, so we'll random that off at the end. All right, then we got another Saturday Signatures, Randy Gradishar. That guy I have not heard of. All right, let's look him up. All right, played his whole career with the Denver Broncos. So that's going to be going to the Broncos there. All right, then we got a couple inserts here. We got Ryan Nassib, rookie card from Topps Chrome. Then we've got a Quan Sturdivant. No clue. Quan Sturdivant. He was only a part of the offseason practice squad of the Cardinals, the Chiefs, and the Redskins. All right, so we'll random that off at the end. And then we got a Zach Mettenberger, 71 out of 799. And based on length of service, I think it's going to be the Titans. Yeah, that's going to be the Titans. 2 seasons with the Titans. Part of 2016 with the Chargers, and then the Steelers. All right, so that's going to be a Titan. So we've got 2 randoms here that we're going to have to do. Let's get this Quan Sturdivant out of the way. Jordy, yeah, we did the past, present, future. You should be able to scroll back through the feed, and you can catch up on that. Or I can show you the cards here in just a second. All right, so the Sturdivant. So it's going to be random between Arizona, Kansas City, and the Redskins. All right, so let's random this off. Everybody's on the edge of their seat about this one. So 5 times, team at the top is going to get it. There's 1. There's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Going to Kansas City. So Sturdivant going to the Chiefs. And then we'll random off Tommy Frazier, and everybody's going to have a chance at him. All right, I don't have them in alphabetical. Can't this new stupid program can't sort them alphabetically. At least not on the fly. It may take me a few minutes. But I got all 32 teams in here. I promise. So 5 times again. See, there's 32 teams. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 going to the Titans. So Titans picking up the Tommy Frazier auto. It's a nice hit there. All right, and that's going to do it for us for Hit Parade Football. So all those cards will get mailed out to you guys tomorrow. And like I said, I've got a couple more boxes left of this. So be on the lookout in the next break that we'll do. Hopefully we can pull one of those case hits.